I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Hyceker brand, their chainsaw sharpener jig kit with hand cranked tungsten carbide burr file and gloves and a carry case. The burr bit right here, you can see a nice close-up of it. It's attached with that set screw right there with the hex nut and the tool to tighten it up. Has the little handle on here, really nice. This is extremely hardened 91.5 HRA tungsten carbide and cobalt, and high temperature also. This is what you're going to be rotating, and this is what's going to line up with the grooves on your chainsaw. And you can see it varies, starts off small, gets large, so it'll work with many different chainsaw blade sizes. And you're just going to be putting it in there and rotating it a couple turns, and you'll see it'll sharpen it. Comes with a nice set of gloves that have little silicone beads on the end. They're actually very nice quality, and they're actually pretty large in size. And this cute little holder that has a belt buckle on here and one of these Carillon things, so that you could actually bring this to you in the forest if you want to and do your sharpening there, or just keep it all contained and organized. So here's the unit itself. You could see that it has the inputs right here. There's one input one direction and another input another direction right there. You'll also notice that it has securing screws. The center one has a stainless steel press plate that's going to push against there. These ones lock into the blade. I'm going to demonstrate this. The instructions that it comes with are a little confusing, but I'm going to show you how this works, and it does work quite nicely. You can see this is all anodized aluminum. Now this piece right here is a piece that will allow you to turn, and what it's supposed to do is it's going to lock in the blade. But I found that my blade stays in place fine. So what I do, because this makes it more difficult because this actually blocks you from seeing what you're doing. So I recommend you just take that out. It goes on either side, and the idea is to lock the blade. You don't really need to because your blade doesn't move easily anyways. So this way you can see the whole sharpening event that's happening while you're using the tool itself. So I'm going to demonstrate this on my chainsaw now. So here I have my chainsaw blade, and the blade's all clean, which is important. You don't want to have oil on there. And I slid this product right on the top of it, and I tighten these knobs, and that's what's going to keep this in place. So now your blade is allowed to rotate, because you can manually rotate the blade as you sharpen the tool. That's what I'm going to do. So you align this up, and you have a left and a right blade, as you can tell, because when you look at a blade on here, there's a pitch on there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through here. So you're going to line this up, and you see how that particular cutting blade right there is facing this direction. And then when you turn this, it goes right in there, and you don't force it, just do a couple turns, and that's it. And what it's doing is putting that angle back on there. And then once you've done that, I recommend you take a permanent marker and you just mark with a permanent marker the one that you sharpened. And then you advance the tool, the blade, and all of a sudden you get to the next blade, and it doesn't go this way anymore. Now it goes this way, this blade. And then what you do is you line this up. See right there, now it's lined up, and I'm just going to rotate a couple turns, and you'll hear like a sound of it shaving a little bit away, and that's it. And then you mark that one with your perma marker so you don't redo it. and then you just move along and you do all those back and forth, letting the tool do the work, rotating it just a few times. When you're done, you remove this and you're all set. You have a nice sharpened blade now. After testing, what do I think about the Hyceker brand, their chainsaw sharpening jig kit? As I demonstrated, this product works. Just take the time and you'll be able to sharpen all your bits quite easily and then have a brand new quality blade instead of keeping replacing them. So I like this kit because it includes everything you need. You have the option of using this to lock the blade if you want, the tool to keep it this tightened down there, the gloves, and the really nice high quality holder. So all of this works really nicely. I'm impressed with it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.